welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, guys, this is episode 143 of our 365-day daily devotionals. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it is absolutely fantastic. If you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check those out, there is a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, number 143. When things don't go as you would like, accept the situation immediately. If you indulge in feelings of regret, they can easily spill over the line into resentment. Remember that I am sovereign over your circumstances, and humble yourself under my mighty hand. Rejoice in what I am doing in your life, even though it is beyond your understanding. I am the way, the truth, and the life. In me, you have everything you need, both for this life and for the life yet to come. Don't let the impact of the world shatter your thinking or draw you away from focusing on me. The ultimate challenge is to keep fixed your eyes on me, no matter what is going on around you. When I am central in your thinking, you are able to view circumstances from my perspective. Very, very good. When things don't go as you would like, accept the situation immediately. Man, that's hard to do. I mean, that's exactly what we need to do, but that's hard to do. And it's true. If you indulge in feelings of regret, they can easily spill over the line into resentment. Have you ever resented a situation that was going on? Or resented somebody because of a situation that was going on? I have. I mean, I know I have. So, and that's not good. That's sin. That's, resentment is definitely from the devil, for sure. Says, rejoice in what I am doing in your life, even though it is beyond your understanding. We don't have to understand everything. Believe me, there are things in my life that I absolutely do not understand. But I've accepted that. I've accepted the fact that I don't understand it, and that I probably won't until I get to heaven. I don't try to continue to figure that situation out or find the answers, because it's not for me to understand right now. If God wanted me to understand, He would give me that. I hope that makes sense. The ultimate challenge is to keep fixing your eyes on me, no matter what is going on around you. So good. When I am central in your thinking, you are able to view circumstances from my perspective. I'm telling you right now, if you can ever view your situation from God's perspective, you will see it completely different. Completely different. But you got to focus on God first. Ask Him for discernment. Ask Him for that understanding. So good. Let's do the verses. Young men, in the same way, be submissive to those who are older. all of you clothe yourselves with humility towards one another, because God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. Humble yourselves, therefore, under God's mighty hand, that he may lift you up in due time. 1 Peter 5:5-6. God opposes the proud, but gives grace to the humble. Very, very good. Jesus answered, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14:6. I remember learning that, as a child in like Sunday school class or something. I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to me except through the Father. Or no one comes to the Father except through me. Yeah. So maybe I don't remember it real well. But anyways, I do remember learning that verse. I am the way, the truth, and the life. Think about that. So good. When things don't go as you would like, accept the situation immediately. Man, that's just so hard to do, isn't it? That's very hard to do. I'm sitting here trying to think about different things in my life that I've gone through and done and whatever, and think about whether or not I was able to accept the situation. I mean, I've accepted the situations, but I'm saying immediately, no, probably not. But that's exactly what we need to do. Just accept the situation. Get on your knees, give it to God, and let it go. Let God do his work. Look for ways that God is working in your life. Because if you've got him first and foremost, I promise you, he's working in your life. He's opening doors. He's bringing about good things. I promise that. All right. Alrighty, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Alright. Thank you all so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.